This is not an arcade claw machine. These are AI-guided recycling robots, turning plastic waste into something valuable.
Only 9% of plastics is actually being recycled globally today.
Meet the unlikely collaborators and cutting-edge technologies
That's incredible.
disrupting plastic pollution and the future of waste as we know it.
I mean, I personally have a dream that all plastic can be recycled.
This is Hayley Lowry, an award-winning sustainability expert. Hayley works for the third largest plastic producer in the world, Dow, a materials science company that makes, well, a lot of things. From the cushioning material used in Crocs to the solutions that make cars lighter and more sustainable, as well as materials for packaging, solar panels, and healthcare. Many of these plastics aren't currently being recycled. Dow is committed to transform 3 million metric tons of waste by investing in circular and renewable solutions, like facilities that can recycle more types of plastics.
A plastics manufacturer is now a recycler. That's a big deal.
Today, Hayley's taken us to look at some of the latest technologies to end plastic pollution.
Hi,
Hi, welcome, nice to see you.
thanks so much.
One of the most promising innovations is in an unsuspecting warehouse district in London. AI-guided recycling analyzers
Tell me about your new technology.
This is composed of a camera, lights, and GPU as well that will analyze in real time all the waste.
AI-guided recycling analyzers are trained by looking at hundreds of millions of images, so they can quickly identify and sort materials with up to 90% accuracy.
What you see on the screen is that every piece of waste is being detected by the AI model and being classified in one of our 89 types of waste.
89, why so many?
Take a salad container, mayonnaise bottle, resealable granola bag. All are made of multiple materials with different colors and additives, some contaminated with food waste, which makes them hard to sort and recycle. What's game-changing is AI can quickly identify complicated waste and sort it, so it can be sent to the people who know how to recycle it. Back in Texas,
Welcome to our lab, y'all.
scientists are finding ways to purify used plastics.
The smell is worse. This instrument here is an automatic extraction system. We call it Mr. Roboto. We named it after the Styx song.
Mr. Roboto is separating color, odor, and other impurities from recycled plastic.
Our labs allow for us to tinker and to innovate and to experiment.
Scientists in another lab are working with car companies to experiment with ways to take old car part materials and recycle them into new ones.
So after we cut them up and throw them in the grinder, this is what it looks like. You can still see the red color, but this is a manageable flake.
Car companies are demanding now that that material also can be circular.
I get to break stuff and nobody gets mad at me.
They'll send those plastic bumper flakes to Mr. Roboto to research and measure impurities. They'll use this research to allow more types of used plastics to be recycled into new things. Dow is also partnering with packaging,
Wow, that's incredible.
cosmetic, and footwear companies to increase the recyclability of their products.
So right now we're going 50 pouches a minute.
Today, they're testing a simplified food package design made of multiple layers and one type of plastic to support recyclability.
There you go.
There's a lot more that we can do to help scale the system and to bring the recycling rates up. And we know we can't do that on our own. We need a lot of partners throughout the entire ecosystem to join us.
As circular solutions are more widely adopted, the world lessens its dependence on raw materials and keeps materials in use for as long as possible.
We want the recycling rate to increase. Consumers want that. Companies want that. We know how to fix these issues, but it's going to take infrastructure, it's going to take policy, and it's going to take some innovation to be able to do that.